Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. We just got these razors in, Goodfellas Smile, that's what they're called. That's the brand name, they come from Italy, they've got several models, but this one really caught my eye. It is called the Valynor, V-A-L-Y-N-O-R. I want to do an unboxing. Let's go around the box. Top, sealed, bottom. I did crack the seal so I could take a look at it before I did the video. Let's open it up and check it out. The carton is that recyclable paper chip type material, very light. Let's open it up. Comes wrapped in this tissue type paper, just so it doesn't get scratched. Check this out. I saw it and I thought, wow, that thing belongs in a museum. Check out the ornate diamonds on that. Pretty cool, huh? Let's go all the way around it. Here's the head, gold, brass it is really, but gold in color. And here's the bottom, really easy to grip. This is very precise. These vertical lines on the bottom of the handle here. And I first did this and I was like, oh no, it's broken. What happened? I did something wrong. But believe it or not, this is not a 3-piece razor or a 2-piece razor. It's actually a 4-piece razor. So you unscrew the handle by gripping here. If you unscrew the knob at the bottom, this portion comes out, which screws into the hollow portion, which gives you that beautiful ornateness. You can see right through it. It is hollow, and I believe the reason it comes in 4 pieces is so that you can remove this brass portion here, this rod, and clean the inside of this and clean this thoroughly. Otherwise, cook would get trapped inside there. Your shaving cream residue would be very difficult to clean. Let's take a look at the head. Very nice brass on the head, nice brass work. Here's the inside. You've got your threaded post and the 2 pins for locking down the razor. And then here's the safety bar. It's a closed comb or flat bar, as you can see. And then here, it says made in Italy right here. Maybe you can help me with that. I'm not sure what that says. Something in Italian, I believe. You can also see the circular indentation right here where the handle fits directly into, like so. That's the reason for that circular indent right there. Let's put a blade in and see what it looks like. The first blade I grabbed from the shelf is a Bic Platinum. Let's open this up. Bic Chrome Platinum right there. Right over the post and 2 pins and safety bar, and then reinstall the handle. That's the blade reveal. You can see it's perfect on both sides. Really a beautiful looking razor, and with these hollow diamond shaped grooves in here, it's very easy to grip this razor. It does drop down into the palm and you can spin it like so. I'll perform a shave with this razor, so tune in on Saturday for my next video. Will be a shave with this razor. I'll give you some specs on it. The material is brass and aluminum, so the color is gold and silver. The handle length, 3.34 inches or 85 millimeters. And then the overall length from top to bottom is 3.62 inches or 92 millimeters. The head thickness, 7 millimeters, and the weight is 2.75 ounces or 78 grams. A lot of companies nowadays are reluctant to give out the specs, the blade gap. I think they feel that the razors are going to get knocked off, but this Goodfellas Smile, they're proud to do it. And I'm happy to tell you, neutral blade gap, 0.8 millimeters. All in all, beautiful looking razor. I can't wait to shave with it. We'll get 1 more day of beard growth, and then I'll put it to its test and see what it does. Meanwhile, if you want to pick one of these up, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab it right there. Or go to ShaveNation.com, enter SN1115, and it'll pop right up. Or if you want to spell the word out, V-A-L-Y-N-O-R, Valynor, you can pick it up. Here's some info on the company. The Goodfellas Smile Valynor Safety Razor looks like it should be in a museum. I wrote that. They didn't write that. It is both functional and magnificent looking. I wrote that too. This is them. Entirely designed and developed in Italy. The Valynor, okay wait, designed and developed. I'm hoping it's made in Italy too. I think it is. The Valynor safety razor is the latest creation by the Goodfellas smile. This extraordinary razor combines elegance and quality and detail with a fantasy-inspired design. I can go for that, right? Looks like something out of Lord of the Rings. My precious. The handle is made from silver anodized aluminum, while the head and the base are machine polished, uncoated brass. The Valynor razor is a unique product where details of light, shadows, and contrasts merge to delight the eye. However, the real magic reveals itself during shaving. We'll find out. Made up of 4 detachable parts: base, handle, plate, and cap. The Valynor razor provides a gentle yet effective shaving experience thanks to its neutral gap of 0.8 millimeters. The head of the Valynor razor is flat, making it ideal for the mustache area as well. The 4 corners of the plate are rounded for a perfect feeling on the skin. The grooves are wide, allowing optimal expulsion of the cut hair. Designed and crafted in Italy. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 600 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.